In rural Panama, access to clean water is not always guaranteed. Our team partnered with Alan Foster from Solea Water to design a sustainable water distribution system for a community along the Icandí River.
Our project site is located on a rural peninsula in the Kamakara Maddon of the Republic of Panama. The community relies on a nearby stream but lacked a reliable system to safely distribute water. To meet this need, we designed a new hydraulic layout that conveys water from an existing stream intake directly to the community.
A key feature of our design is a suspension pipeline bridge that carries water across the Incandí River using the existing tower structures. This minimizes the environmental impact while reducing construction costs while maintaining structural reliability.
In addition, we incorporated at-home filtration systems to improve water quality at the point of use.
We also developed a detailed construction schedule, cost estimate, and an operator's manual to ensure long-term operation and maintenance success.
One of the biggest challenges was designing infrastructure that is both durable and easy to maintain in the remote environment. We had to balance our long-term performance with simplicity, ensuring that local operators can repair and maintain the system with limited resources.
This project will significantly increase access to clean water for the community. With improved water access, families benefit from better health, children can spend more time in school, and women have more opportunities to work and support their households.
We learned to incorporate feedback and adapt our design to meet real client needs. This was the team's first time involved in a project abroad, and it gave us a broader perspective on engineering just beyond the U.S.